Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without the hassle. Today, we've got a battle of the mini drones. In the left corner, weighing in at less than 249 grams and boasting some serious tech, it's the DJI Mini 2 SE. And in the right corner, a foldable, budget-friendly contender ready to take flight, the 4DRCV-4 Mini Foldable Drone. Which one should you buy? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and find out. First up, let's talk about the all-important factor: price. The DJI Mini 2 SE comes in at a cool $279. Now that's a bit of an investment, but hey, you get what you pay for, right? On the other hand, the 4DRCV-4 is priced at just $89. That's less than a fancy dinner for two. Reviewers appreciate the DJI Mini 2 SE for its robust feature set and build quality, noting that it offers great value for the money. Meanwhile, the 4DRCV-4 is praised for being budget-friendly and accessible, making it an attractive option for those looking to spend less. Now, let's get to the eye candy: the camera. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers some epic imaging with its easy-to-use shooting templates and a transmission range of 10 kilometers. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your backpack. Reviewers rave about its high-quality pictures and videos, as well as its stable gimbal. Meanwhile, the 4DRCV-4 sports a 1080p camera with a 90-degree adjustable angle. Not bad for a drone that costs less than your grocery bill for the week. However, users note that the image quality can be hit or miss, and it feels more like an enthusiastic intern compared to the DJI Mini 2 SE. Time to talk airtime. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts a max flight time of 31 minutes. And if you go for the combo, you get up to 93 minutes. That's practically a Marvel movie. Reviewers love the extended flight time, which allows for more shooting without frequent recharges. The 4DRCV-4, on the other hand, gives you 26 minutes with its two modular batteries. More like an episode of your favorite sitcom. But hey, it's still plenty of time to crash into a few trees. Users appreciate the decent flight time for its price point, although some have experienced issues with the drone's reliability. Both drones claim to be beginner-friendly, but let's see who takes the cake. The DJI Mini 2 SE has a return-to-home function, perfect for those "uh-oh, where did my drone go?" moments. It's like having a drone with a built-in GPS mom. Reviewers highlight its ease of use, making it a great option for beginners. The 4DRCV-4, though, has one key takeoff/landing, 3 speed adjustments, and headless mode. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. While it's also beginner-friendly, users have found it less durable and more prone to malfunctions. Finally, let's talk portability. The DJI Mini 2 SE is so lightweight and compact that it doesn't even need FAA registration. Just throw it in your backpack and go. Reviewers love its portability and ease of transport. The 4DRCV-4 is foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Super convenient, especially if you're always on the go. Users appreciate its compact design, but note that its build quality feels less sturdy compared to the DJI Mini 2 SE. Overall, reviewers are highly impressed with the DJI Mini 2 SE, praising its camera quality, build, and user-friendliness. It's recommended for both beginners and those looking for a high-quality drone. The 4DRCV-4, while praised for its affordability and beginner-friendly features, receives mixed reviews regarding its durability and reliability. It's a good option for casual use and those new to drones. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for top-notch quality and are willing to splurge a bit, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to. It's like the Tesla of mini drones. But if you're ballin' on a budget and still want some decent aerial shots, the Ford DRCV4 is a fantastic choice. Think of it as the reliable Toyota of drones. Either way, you're getting a solid flying machine that'll give you hours of fun and some pretty cool footage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly smart, buy smart, and we'll see you next time.